To achieve financial stability, we all need to have multiple streams of income. I think we should all agree to that. I'm sure everyone agrees to that. Okay, gone are the days where just one stream of income can be like sustainable as it used to be before. No. Now you would need to pull in money from different sources, which are the various sources of income I'm talking about, in order to like be balanced financially. So in this video, we're going to talk about 4 profitable side hustle ideas. Take note, profitable businesses that you can start for free without any form of capital, and it is guaranteed to bring you extra sources of income, if not more. The side hustle ideas I'm going to mention right here in this video is for everyone, like whether you're young or you're old, or whether you're a man or a woman, both male and female, young and old, can actually try on these side hustle ideas I'll be talking about in this video, and it is guaranteed to bring you results when practiced the right way. Take note that if you don't know any of the skills I'll mention here in this video, you can learn it online absolutely free. You do not need capital to start any of the skills I'll be talking about here. So these are 4 profitable businesses that you can start on the online space for free, that is guaranteed to bring extra sources of income to you for the remaining part of 2024 and then on to 2025 as well. So hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Betty. You're welcome to Shondra's Corner. In this channel, we talk about content creation, growth tips, entrepreneurship and business ideas, and various ways to make money on the online space. So if these are the kind of videos you enjoy watching, please click on the subscribe button to join the family and turn on your post notification too, so that whenever I upload videos like this on my channel, you'll be the first to know. The first skill I'll be talking about here that you will practice to help you make money on the online space is to teach a language. This could be the general language that is spoken in your area, and this could be like your native language or any other language that you already know how to speak. I'm talking about languages that you know how to speak, so that you don't spend so much resources into going to learn a completely new language in order for you to be able to come and teach it on the online space. That's just going to take way too much time. Okay, so teach a language, preferably English. I'm making this video in English, and I'm sure that most of the people who are watching this video understand English. You can teach English as a language online. There are various sites that I'm going to leave here on the screen that you can check out in order to apply to become an English teacher. Take note that from statistics, it is known that over 1 billion persons are currently learning the English language. So you can see how vast this English language is. There are lots of countries that are not speaking English, even if English is one of the popular languages. There are lots of countries or individuals that do not speak English. And most people who are part of this over 1 billion that are learning English language are from countries like this. You don't need to have a set certification. You don't need to be like a graduate in order to be able to teach these languages. As far as you understand English comprehension, you understand English language, check out these sites and apply. There are also other languages that you can teach. Okay, if you are fluent in Spanish, if you are fluent in Igbo, if you are fluent in Yoruba, I know a website, I'll leave the website on the screen, that you can teach Nigerian languages to children in the diaspora whose parents are trying to make them learn their native language for a fee. Okay, you're being paid a certain amount per hour. You can apply to these websites and teach the language that you already know to people who want to learn these languages. The earnings of those who teach English language is like from $10 to $40 per hour. $10 to $40 is what English teachers are being paid online to teach other people how to speak English. And then the other languages, the prices are already on the website. So if you check out these websites, you'll see how much these people pay in order to have you come teach their students the various languages that they desire. Okay, now this $10 to $40 depends on the websites you're sourcing from. It depends on your skill, like your grade. Okay, if you're a graduate and if you have a particular certification, your money increases. If you have like the basic certification, you're not a graduate, but you understand English language, they would have to make you pass through some tests in order for them to be sure that you understand English language. this amount varies from the site, the client, the certification that you already have, and all of that. The second side hustle idea that I think any and everyone can actually do is to become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is a person who provides administrative services to his or her client, but from the comfort of their home, like remotely. So you don't dress up in the morning to go to a company or to go to a location to sit down to carry out your daily activities. I've talked about virtual assistants on my YouTube channel here before. I'm going to leave a link to the description so that you can watch in detail how to go into the virtual assistant field yourself. I am currently a virtual assistant and I know how much virtual assistants are paid. Yes, some of them are paid more, some of them are paid less, depending on the company you're working for. It also depends on what you can actually do or the activities that you actually perform for these people. And then it depends on the certification or the skill that you already have. Anybody can learn to be a virtual assistant, but if you work currently, like not as a virtual assistant, but like as a physical office assistant or secretary or administrator in any field, then I'm sure you can flow into the virtual assistant field very, very comfortably. That is a virtual assistant. And you know why this field is very lucrative? Because companies are coming up every day. The last video I talked about CAC registration and how to become a CAC agent. I talked about how companies are cropping up every day. So we have like a boom in companies coming up, entrepreneurs coming up, solopreneurs coming up. Like there are lots of businesses are being opened every single day. And as these businesses grow and expand, you notice that they will start to need more persons to come into their business in order to help them carry out their day-to-day activity with ease. And that is where you as a virtual assistant come into play. So in Nigeria, virtual assistants earn between 80,000 to 200 and 250,000 naira monthly. Okay, depending on the individual you're working for, depending on how big the organization you're working for is, depending on what activities they want you to perform for them. Foreign brands who look for virtual assistants in like African countries, Asian countries, because virtual assistants in these countries charge way cheaper than the virtual assistants that they have in their country, like the US, the UK, Canada, and the rest. Virtual assistants, they charge a lot higher. So some companies who already know that they are good virtual assistants in other countries who charge cheaper than what their counterparts will charge, they prefer to bring these jobs down to the African country or these other countries I'm talking about to source for good administrators who can help them carry out their day-to-day activity. So you can become a virtual assistant in your location. You can advertise yourself, start locally, and then over time you can start sourcing for international brands who, like, you can pitch yourself to these international brands to work as their virtual assistant. It will help you to become to like make extra sources of income to what you already have. And who knows, with time this could even be your full hustle, and then your main hustle will now become your side hustle. Do you enjoy videos like this? If you enjoy videos like this, please like this video. Please like this video. I'm waiting for you to like the video. Have you liked? Please like this video, guys, and subscribe to my channel as well. Turn on your post notification too, because I'll be uploading videos like this on a regular, so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you'll be the first to know. Okay, so please like and subscribe to my channel, guys. The third business idea I'll be talking about in this video is to teach a skill you already know. So are you a dancer? A good one. Are you a singer? A good one. Are you a chef? A good one. Or a cook? Okay, a good cook. You do not even need to like have gone to a big culinary anything, but like if you're very good in cooking, you can go on to teach people online how to be able to do that, and then charge people to be able to teach them. And you can do these things online, both online and offline. Okay, some of these skills can be taught online, while some of these skills can be taught strictly offline. So it depends on the skill you already know. Set yourself and think about the skill you already know. Let's say you have a shop where you sell a few things as your main hustle. You can decide to evolve into the online space and start marketing your products online. That's what I mean. If you are a hairstylist, and you're already doing that where you are from your location, you can evolve into the online space and start advertising yourself online, teaching people how to become a good hairstylist like you. All these skills are things that you can start without capital. All you have to do is just have the knowledge. And you might be thinking about the skill you have now and you think it is not necessary. I don't think so. There is no skill or there is no knowledge that is a waste. Most times it is just how you tell your story, how you package your knowledge, how you package your skill before you sell them that will help you determine if you're going to sell successfully or not. So if you're not very good with branding, then I think that is what you should learn online. So the amount of money you get from teaching a skill online depends on your location and your target audience. So who is your target audience? Are there people who are low income earners, or are there people who are high income earners? It depends on your target audience, and like I said, it depends on how you package yourself. So how do you evolve into this online teaching of skills online? You do that by advertising yourself. If you have small money, yes, I said these businesses or these skills can be started without capital, but if you have small money at your disposal, you can start with running adverts online, telling people the skill that you have to offer them. I don't know if you understand. So you can run ads on the online space, informing people about the skill and the benefit of the skill that you have for them, and just generally appeal to these people, like engage them enough to want to learn that skill that you possess. Now, the fourth and final skill I'll be talking about on here is to become a resume writer for people who are looking for jobs. Believe it or not, most people do not know how to write their CV. Once you just tell them, give me your resume, they run up and down. They look for who will help them write CV, okay? Some people do not know how to package their resume, how to package their skill. Some people end up packaging their resume or their skill in a way that employers will not even want to employ them, even if they know how to do what they claim to do. Some of them even know how to do a lot of things, but they do not know how to bring in that knowledge of what they know how to do and like transfer it into your resume, so that your employer will see your resume and just know, okay, this person is fit for the job that I'm offering. They don't know how to package their CVs. They don't know how to package their cover letter. It is not hard. You can actually learn it. If you already know how to draft CVs for people, for yourself, then you can use that to transcend into a business. You can offer to start helping people draft good resumes, good CVs, good cover letters in order for them to get the job that they are applying for. You can help people to optimize their CV. There are lots of CV optimizers online who charge a fee in order to help you optimize your CV, so that employers will be able to employ you easily. Now, the amount of money you earn as a CV optimizer might not be as big as you would like it. Remember, CV optimizers are for people who are looking for jobs. So most of these people looking for jobs might not have so much to offer, but they also have people looking for jobs who have a lot to offer, who are already big. It's just that they are looking for the next big thing. So it depends on how you advertise yourself on there. It depends on the kind of quality you are telling people that you can offer to them. It depends on the reviews. If you've done it for people before and they've been able to secure jobs from you optimizing their CV, then you can use these reviews to gather more clients to yourself. So it depends on how you market yourself. The amount of money you earn from this particular side hustle depends on the value that you're offering people, depends on the reviews that you have already. It depends on how you package yourself generally. If you don't know how to do that, then learn how to do that and then come back to offer your services. Then you can advertise yourself on Upwork, on Fiverr. I'm going to leave list of websites where you can advertise yourself, but most of these websites are becoming more and more difficult for people to be able to help them earn money. Okay, it's becoming more and more difficult for people to be able to get gigs from these websites. So if you can run adverts on your social media platform, like on your Instagram, on your Facebook, and on probably WhatsApp, telling people that you can help them optimize their CV. The chances of you getting gigs from running adverts on your own social media handles is more than you getting gigs from Fiverr, Upwork, and the rest of them. Okay, so these are the 4 side hustle. These are the 4 skills that you can transcend into the online space that will help you add more extra sources of income to what you already have going on. Like I said, if you like videos like this, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos on a regular basis. Turn on your post notification too, so that whenever I upload videos like this on my channel, you'll be the very first to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.